Okay, here's what I was able to get. This is how I carried it up. I put this in here because I thought it was going to be easier to carry than the bowl. I got a banana, bagel with cream cheese, 2 different kinds of low-fat yogurt, and then these muffins. I didn't need any of this. There was nothing down there I could have. And what the fuck, bro? Did the weather people gaslight me? Oh, I guess it is snowing. It just hasn't accumulated yet. Alright, cool. So I think I'm actually just gonna go start my car for a couple of minutes. Just like... yeah, that'll be easier. And I woke up today less excited to be crafty. So I'm gonna take all this crap back out to the car. I'm gonna give up on that one. I might probably keep one thing. But I also had some exercise stuff I wanted to try while I was here, so I might do that instead. Okay, so the snow's not that bad yet. But the cold is fucking stupid. So I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes, let the car warm up, melt this little bit that's on here so far, and go back inside. I'm gonna get another banana and another yogurt. Because even though I don't need them, I want them. They're free. Okay, so check it out. Everybody left that was here last night, and I think I'm gonna go and try and be over by that door because it's kind of like closer or whatever. And I'm gonna try and park backwards again. There's no way I'm gonna do it as well this time, but fuck it, I'm gonna try anyway. I'm crooked, and I'm sitting here debating, do I like fuck the parking space and try and straighten it out, or fuck. I think I'm just gonna, like, use the female driver card and be like, okay, I think maybe I got it that time. And if anything, I did need to straighten my wheels out. So I guess I'm glad I went back and did it. Okay, now it's starting to snow. This is like a reference point for later. You can't really see the snow, but the wind is going to. It's kind of blowing the snow across. I don't like how I can't see my car anymore. That's the view from my window. Well, here we are at 3:10. It's still not exactly apocalyptic, but you can see the snow coming down pretty good. I bet that would be a bitch to drive through. I used to really get a kick out of making coffee in the hotel room, but today I'm just thinking, damn, I wish I had better coffee. Well, it smells really good. The other thing is, I checked out the coffee situation in the breakfast area this morning, and it was already kind of grim, and if they're not on top of it in the morning, I can only imagine the coffee that's there when I go to work is gonna be either gone or fucking nasty. Oh my god, I think I'm getting smarter. I had to turn that light on so this coffee maker would work. That light switch over there. Alright, I've got this, and I need that banana like a hole in the head, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. Happy breakfast, everyone. Oh, and one of them. I'm still at the hotel. I'm getting ready to get ready for work, and the phone has been ringing like fucking crazy because of this. So I went down and talked to them because I work second shift, so if I was going to be done, if I wasn't going to need the room, if I wasn't going to sleep here tonight, then I would have to pack up and be ready to leave today. But I am staying until 5 p.m. Thursday because fuck that snow. Okay, I'm all showered and mostly dressed. I left my slippers on the bed because I like to let the bed know that I'm not abandoning it forever. I will be back. Got my backpack. Gonna get that thing. I'm gonna go outside and start the car and hope. Oh my fucking god. Bro. She's a little snowball. I thought I was being superfluous about the shovel, but I don't think so.